If you want to lock apps on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case you can use the secure folder, because unfortunately there is no dedicated way, like a dedicated option or button or anything in settings that would allow you to just simply lock apps. Therefore, we can use the secure folder as an alternative. So over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down to security and privacy. And after that, we're gonna go to more security settings. And finally, in here, we have the secure folder. We need to press continue. You will need to grant some permissions, and then we need to wait for the next screen to appear on our, for the next menu actually to appear on our screen. After that, you will have to set up the password that you wish to use for the secure folder. In my case, I'm gonna choose a simple PIN code. There we go, press continue. And of course, we need to enter our password again. We can also use our Samsung account to be able to recover the password in case you forget it. So if you want to be able to do that, you can press allow. On the other hand, you can choose don't allow. And after that, we can go ahead and press next. And there we go, we have our secure folder. We can find it in the app drawer. And if you open the secure folder, you can add the app into the secure folder, the app that you wish to lock. So I'm gonna tap on this plus button. If you already have the app installed, then you can go over here on this list and choose the app that you wish to add to the secure folder. The app will not be moved, it will be just duplicated like this. And we can press add afterwards in the upper right corner. But if the app is not installed on your tablet yet, then you can download the app from the Play Store or Galaxy Store. So let's go ahead and press add. There we go, here we have our app, and of course in order to open this app I will have to open the secure folder. By the way, it is recommended to tap on these three dots on the right side, go to settings and switch the auto lock to each time I leave an app. So by doing so, whenever you exit the secure folder or an app that is from the secure folder, when you try to open it the next time, you will always have to enter the password. So in addition to that, we can also press and hold our finger on the app that we want to, for example, add to the home screen. So if you want to have quicker access to the app, you can add it to the home screen like this, so you don't have to open the secure folder instead. And if you try to open the app, of course, we have to enter the password. Now keep in mind that we can have two apps like this. So if we have the normal app that we have installed on our tablet and the same app that is installed in the secure folder, we have two versions and they contain different data. So if you want to have just one app, you can uninstall the one that you that is installed on the tablet in general. So if I uninstall this app over here, you will notice that the app inside the secure folder is still there, and that is because the secure folder is a separate environment. It contains different data, so you can, for example, have apps in the secure folder, but not outside of it, if that's what you wish to do, of course. So this is how we can lock apps on our Galaxy Tab A11. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.